Hi everyone, this is Johan and today I'm going to show you how to cook fried tofu with sweet chili peanut sauce. This recipe, I got it from Pai's Kitchen. She's a Thai YouTuber who is based in Canada and showing us a lot of Thai cuisine, which I love. And I just made it a version of my own here in the Philippines. So the ingredients are chili, garlic, long green chilies, vinegar, water, tamarind concentrate, brown sugar, well, that's a mix of brown and white, salt, and then, of course, our tofu. Alright, I really love this ingredient, really good for pulutan. And every time that we have a gathering and we drink, I make this. Alright, so let's start making the sauce first. So as you can see, I've chopped the long green chilies, the chili, the red ones, and then garlic. Original recipe calls for just one garlic, but I love garlic. That's why you saw three cloves there. I've added the water. That's 4 tablespoons. Also 4 tablespoons of vinegar. And I'm just going to blitz it up. Now, the consistency, you can make it like a puree if you can do that. It really depends on you if you want to have like tiny bits and pieces of the green chili and the chili. That's also nice. And if you really wanna, you don't, if you want it smooth, super smooth, then just blitz it more. And of course the garlic as well. Some people don't like the strong taste of garlic if it's too many. So just adjust the taste based on your the people who will eat it and ultimately based on yours. All right, I'm about to add the tamarind concentrate. That's how Pai calls it in her video, but we don't have that access. We don't have access to that kind of tamarind concentrate here in the Philippines. But I found out that if you use the powdered tamarind mixture, which we use for our sinigang, and dilute it in water, you can have the same effect. So what I did is I've used a small pack of the tamarind concentrate, the original, and then I've diluted it in water and I've added it here. It's still the tamarind, so it's really good. Just make sure you be careful with adding salt here because the ready-made powdered tamarind concentrate here, the powdered one here in the Philippines is already also, it has other ingredients aside from the tamarind. All right, so the blitzing is all done, the liquid is all done. We're going to transfer this into a saucepan and we're going to simmer this for about 10 to 15 minutes until we get the consistency, the saucy like consistency that we want because it's a dipping sauce. So we want that to a little bit to look like the texture should be velvety and it should attach itself to the tofu, the fried crispy tofu when you dip it in. So there, medium low heat, and we will wait for it to simmer. And while waiting, as you can see, I've added the sugar. That's 2.5 to 3 tablespoons of sugar. There you go. Again, you have to remember, make the adjustments, the taste based on your preference. I'm just giving you the measurements here to give you an idea on how much it should be and how it should, how I want it to be and how I want the taste to be. All right, so I've switched the pots. I just want to show you how to fry tofu. It's very easy. I've cut it the same way Pai cut her tofu, triangular sizes. But with regard to the tofu, she's using firm tofu there, and they have a lot of variation of tofu in Canada, I believe, and in some other areas. But here in the Philippines, we don't have, especially the people, some people like myself, don't have access to those kind of variation of tofu unless we go to the malls and do our groceries there. And what I want this video to show is that wherever you are in the Philippines, as long as you can have access to the wet and dry market or the talipapa, you can still make this, this wonderful dish, or snack and the sauce itself. All right, so I cut it triangular size and just fry it. So as you can see, the sauce is simmering there. I've added roasted peanuts there, the garlic flavor one, the one that you can buy in the sari sari store. Use that. That's okay. If you want to make it fresh, buy some peanuts, toast them over the pan, and then that's it. All right, something that you have to remember when you're frying something and you want to keep the crispiness of what you fried, make sure you drain it using a rack or a strainer. Don't use the paper towel like what you will see later on this video, because what the paper towel will do is it will absorb the liquid, but the heat is still there and it will steam, and you will lose the crispiness. Unlike when you're using it and draining it with on a rack or a strainer, then it's just there. It's open air. It will maintain its crispiness. And as you can see, there are green bits or leaves there. That's just onion, green onion that I've added. Cilantro is what the original recipe calls for, but I don't have that access right there. I don't have that at the moment, so I've chosen to just put or add the green onions. All right, so we're almost done here actually, and I'm sorry I was not able to show you how the consistency of the sauce looks like. I don't know, for some reason the video, that part of the video was deleted from my phone, but that's all good. I tell you, just make sure you follow the recipes and it should be all good. And there you go. That's our fried tofu with sweet chili peanut sauce. I hope you guys like this. Hit like, subscribe to my channel, and make sure you follow our social media accounts as well. Thank you. Bye.